going on, guys? Today is September 8th, 2022. High today is like 79 degrees. AC season's starting to come to an end. I mean, we're still gonna have a little heat next week. I believe it's gonna be in the 80s. So today what I'm doing is I'm gonna check some heat exchangers. We have some Tranes, some Carriers, some Yorks. I'm just gonna go through heating operations too, jumping out the heat, just to make sure everything's firing, taking temp split, and that's that. So we'll see what it is. I mean, I have a lot of units here: 2, 5, 8, 10, 12, 14, like 17 units, I think. So a couple mini splits, but I don't count those right now. But yeah, furnace, gas heating and cooling. Some of them are 4 compressors, but that's all the AC side of it. But there's some big units here. That's a 2021 Carrier right there, 2015, and we have some old stuff too. We got some stuff up there. But anyway, I hope all is well. Thanks for everything, guys, watching, commenting, the support, everything. And let's do this for the winter. I mean, it's coming. I'm a summer person, I think, more than a winter, but anyway, it is what it is. You can't change it, right? So might as well embrace it. If you can't beat them, join them. Guys, so I have my coworker pulling off the panel. Check the heat exchanger right now on this Carrier 2019. Got your direct drive fan, power's off. And we're gonna pull this panel off right here. So these screws, 1, 2, all across, and up and down. And this heat exchanger is gonna be fine. You always wanna check beginning, and then obviously your surface. I kind of put my hand up and down, feel the surface for any rust or breaches. But this is a brand new system. I mean, pretty new, 2019. So okay. 2015. Where's that screwdriver? And it's pitted. It's deep, so it's very fine crack, but you still have to say something. Gas off. We're gonna go into our W circuit and take it off for now. This, from the looks of this heat exchanger, like off of my, just if my eye is looking at it without a light, it looks worse than the last one, except this one I can't find any kind of crack or breach when I went over it with my light. Just from like looking at it, yeah, it looks bad to the eye, but there's nothing that I can see or confirm today. Top and bottom. Even over here where you find a lot of cracks. But $2016. It's like a new Cadillac. Shit. It's a nice unit too. So he's putting back the panel over there. We're gonna start up the heat over there. Check it out. This coil's filthy. You gotta clean that. You gotta clean this coil. Oh yeah. So we're gonna open this panel right here. Yep, please. I want to jump out the heat. R W like Spider-Man. That feels good, bro. That's straight air conditioning. Alright, kill the power. The limit and the rollout is kind of charred here. I don't know what year. I don't know how to read the codes on these. If any of you guys know how to read the model serial on a train, on a York, I'm pretty good at like the other stuff. Goodman, Carrier. I mean, I could look it up on Blue On or my app that finds the model serial number, but yeah, I'm not sure what year this is. It's probably just by date code. It was actually fine. Check the heat exchanger front and back. All right, let's go up to that one. Yo, just like psychologically, when I put my hand on this, I think it's gonna be hot because you're usually checking them in the winter time. Baffle. So like when I put my hand like that, I was like, oh, for a second. All right, let's check from the front too. Yeah, these trains are great, man. Let's check in the front. So these two economizer screens right here have to be replaced. I gotta measure them. I mean, I have the model serial number anyway, but I'm still gonna measure them because sometimes, I don't know, I just like to know the exact size. Check that. This is all bent. Something happened here. Maybe snow or something. Somebody climbed on it and changed filters, who knows? $2,012. Dude, look at how nice it is out today. There's my van right there. So nice though. I mean, all year round, I'll take this 100%. Yo, what's the temperature today? What's the temperature? 75 degrees, bro. So maybe it's 80 up here, but it is, like you can see the trees are moving. It's perfect. Perfect. Guys, thanks for watching. It's just a quick video on really nothing, just checking heat exchangers. We changed belts today, filters. I don't need to show all that. Went through the systems. But thank you guys for watching. Thanks for always supporting and commenting. Please like and subscribe, and take care. Have a great day. Enjoy this weather, at least over here in the East Coast, tri-state.